Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix GigaBash mobile game crashing or not opening, not launching, crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, keep stopping, lagging, freezing, black screen or several other issues on Android phone. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your phone. For that, press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. Now after your device restarts, launch the game and check. Next method is to check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you're using Wi-Fi, go to mobile data or do vice versa and then launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on app info and then click on force stop. And once your game force stops it, after that launch the game and check. If the issue continues, you are suggested to clear the cache of the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on app info, go to the storage option, click on clear cache. After doing this, go back, launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, you should check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to the Google Play Store. In the search option, search for GigaBash Mobile, and here you have to check if any update is available. If yes, update your game to the latest version, and after that launch it and check if it's working. If you still cannot play the game, you are suggested to install a VPN. For that, go to the Google Play Store. In the search option, search for VPN and you will get lots of VPN apps over here. Install any one of it. After that, log into it, change the location and then try to launch the game and check. If the issue still continues, you are suggested to check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. So for that, go to settings, click on system update, check if any update is available. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version and after that launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. So for that, click and hold the game icon, click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. So after removing the game, again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for GigaBash game and after that click on the install option, and once you install the game, now try to play the game and check if it's working. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.